Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mario here, and today we are gonna unbox brand new Nike Apple Watch Series 7. So let's get started. Here is the overall packaging. Since I ordered it from Apple India itself, they shipped it via Blue Dart. So nothing fancy about the packaging, as you can see. So here, let's tear it apart and let's go. Let's hold on. Yeah. So in the packaging, as I can see a bill inside and the box itself. So let me just take out the bill and the box. It's pretty plain, like it's pretty plain. I was thinking I'll get some fancy packaging, but nah, it's pretty same. So as you can see, here's the front view of the box. Like this is the casing in which my Apple Watch came, and the side view, the back view, and yeah. Now let's see what do we have here. Okay, so I have the bill itself over here. Okay. Alright, time to keep it aside. So without any further ado, let's see what we have here. So I'll be comparing this Nike Apple Watch Series 7 with my Series 1 packaging. So as to make a difference how fancy the packaging gonna be. So to have a contrast of Series 1, like the 7 generations. So let's see what do we have here. Oh, okay. So it's pretty plain, but it's pretty plain. But it's pretty. Oh my god, guys, it looks amazing. The packaging is same like the previous generation, except Series 1. But the packaging, the Nike edition. Oh my god, that Nike logo. It's literally striking my eyes right now. Nothing fancy about the packaging. It's like as usual as like all the series except Series 1. So I'll just throw it. So as you can see, I bought this watch for 44,900. It's a 45 mm. It's a 45 mm size, and let me just compare it with the Series 1 packaging. So here's Series 1 box. So let's take a proper look at Series 1. So nothing fancy about the packaging. It comes in the usual white color, and over here we can see the Apple Watch Sport Edition. And let's open it up. So as you can see, it comes in a really sleek, shiny plastic box, and this is where like the watch comes inside, like the watch is placed inside the box, and it's pretty beautiful. It's pretty marvelous. As you can see, we can see Apple Watch and sports embossed over there. It's like suede packaging. And what else we get? We get a charger and a few paperwork. That's it. As for the Series 1. Now, I mean, just give you a closer look at the box itself. It's pretty fancy. I still, I really don't know why I will stop, like doing that, like in the rest of the generation. But never mind. So here's the Series 7. Okay, I'm super excited right now. Time to unbox it. Oh my god. So like, just after we open, we can see there's a box, and I'm pretty sure the watch is placed inside that box. It's cardboard box, not as fancy as Series 1's box. So as you can see, we can see a total of 2 boxes over here. So here's the back view, in which this is the box in which Apple Watch is placed, and this is the second box. I am pretty sure that the straps been placed there. And this is the overall packaging, like the outer cover. Nothing fancy, but I really love the packaging, like the contrast of all the Apple Watches and everything. Let me just jump it apart. Okay, so then moving on to this very particular box, let me just open it up real quick and let's see how the band feels this time. Our typical seal. Okay, I'm like really super excited, guys. Like I can still smell the aroma of the box, and it feels so good. Like just Apple things. Time to take out the straps. A few paperwork. I don't know why they still provide these paperworks, but never mind. And just the basic stuff. Time for the main thing. Let's see. Okay, oh my god, guys, look at those straps. It's similar to that of Series 1, but the holes and everything makes it unique in itself. Like that is how one can distinguish between the Nike edition and a normal edition, and it feels pretty smooth. It literally feels so smooth as compared to Series 1. The build quality of the strap is really smooth and it's amazing. Let me just take it out, like both the bands. It's really smooth, guys. It's really smooth. Like I don't know what they did this time, but it's really smooth. So I guess it's time for the main thing now. I'll just keep this aside. But I really admire, like, they have done a marvelous work this time. So guys, are you excited? I myself is really excited right now. I cannot wait any much longer. So, okay, so we have two seals over there. Time to take them apart. Okay, let's go. Why is it so difficult to tear these seals? Finally. It's time to open the box. It feels pretty weird though, like, I don't know why they stopped giving it in that pretty marvelous plastic box, but never mind. Oh, why is it so difficult to open this box? Okay, how do we open it? Okay, almost there, and oh, the packaging is pretty simple though. I was expecting something else, but nonetheless, it's Apple Watch. So again, we get some paperwork, Apple Watch, Nike edition, nothing fancy about it. Okay. Designed by Apple and Nike. Useless paperwork. Time for the adapter. So this time the adapter feels pretty heavy as compared to Series 1. Although I can see that it's gonna be much more smaller than compared to Series 1, like the total cable length of the charger. Now, time for the main thing, which is our one and only Apple Watch Nike Edition Series 7. It feels so heavy, guys. It feels so heavy. I cannot wait any much longer to take it out. It literally feels so heavy. Okay, so how do we take it out though? Like, do I have to push it out or what? Do I have to tear it? Okay, nothing's happening. I think I have to tear it out. Try tearing it out. I guess that's not the way. Oh yeah, that's not the way. Okay, now I see. Okay, so you have to push it from the side. Oh, alright. Struggle is real, guys. Struggle is real. Oh my god, guys, as soon as I took it out, it started automatically, and oh my god, this looks amazing. Let me just put on straps itself. So I'll just tell all the technical specs of the watch. The size of my watch is 45 mm, which fits perfectly on wrist, having size 140 to 220 mm, and it is equipped with the largest always-on Retina display. That is, Series 7 has like nearly 20% more screen over than Series 6, and it's swim proof, dust resistant, and crack resistant. Like the front glass is way more stronger than compared to any of the series, as we know. So apart from that, we get an all-day battery life, like up to 18 hours of battery life, and we can measure blood, oxygen, ECG anywhere, and it's pretty accurate. It's recommended by most of the doctors out there. Apart from that, it consists of a 396 by 484 pixel screen with a peak brightness of 1143 nits. That is about like 50. And also apart from that, we get 60% more screen than that of Series 1. And this time we get a keyboard, like swipe type, along with a QWERTY keyboard. So let's compare it with Series 1. As you can see, like, there are physical changes out there, and as you can see, like, the sensor itself, we can see the huge difference in the sensor, and apart from that, it looks amazing and gorgeous, although Apple Watch Series 7 looks way more smaller. Anyway, without any further ado, let me just connect it. So guys, here I have connected the watch. So time for a quick look between Series 1 and Series 7. Like, it's a huge generation gap of like approximately 6 series, like from Series 1 to Series 7. Everything is the same, the UI is same. We just the display, it's pretty big, like it's edge to edge display, and as you can see it's more fluid, and like the animations are pretty smooth, like they're pretty smooth. It's like literally I'm holding a small iPhone on my wrist, like it will literally look like that. So nothing fancy about the UI. The UI is pretty similar to that of Series 1. The only difference is this is watch OS 8, and in Series 1 it's watch OS 4.2. So yeah, that is it. And as you can see, like we only get like that Nike logo on front of the screen. I guess that's the only difference, nothing new. And like the band, that's it. And rest everything seems pretty same. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.